Herkese yeni bir Life bölümünden merhaba. Şimdi hemen konuya atlıyorum. Oyun kaydetmemiş, geldiğim yere tekrar oynuyordum ama galiba bir önceki bölümde Frank'le konuşmamışım. O yüzden şimdi Frank'le konuşuyoruz ve önemli bir karar vermemiz gerekiyor. Rachel'ın öldüğünü söylemeli miyiz, söylememeli miyiz? Ben söyleyeceğim.
Frank, I don't know how to say this.
Aynen nasıl söyleyeceğimi bilmiyorum ama söyleyeceğim
Just
yani.
will. Rachel is dead.
God, no, please. Please, no, not Rachel. She can't fucking be. Are you sure? I mean, how do you know?
We used the names you gave us to track down a farmhouse. My professor, Mark Jefferson, has this
her şeyi açıklıyorum zaten.
torture room. And we found out he was using Nathan Prescott to drug and photograph Blackwell students.
Prescott? Fuck, I knew it.
Tamam
I should
Frank.
never have hooked up with that sick punk. Pompidou hated him.
Köpeğine güvenmelisin dostum.
You saw Rachel?
Evet, hayır. Evet gördüm.
Yes. I wish I didn't. I'm so sorry, Frank. Nathan wanted to impress Jefferson and he killed her.
How? How did he kill her?
Oha bu kadar da neyse aşırı da olsa.
He used some
Öleceğim şeyden, dürüstlükten öleceğim.
An overdose? The only way Nathan could have done that is if I sold it to him. I killed my lioness. No, what have I done?
Ya
Where
salak
is
ya.
this motherfucker Jefferson?
He's going to jail. He won't be hurting anybody anymore.
Rachel. Oh, God. She was the one good thing in my life, Max. I know she was too young. I expect her to leave me, just not how it happened. I would never have.
Max şu ceketi nereden buldu bu arada? Bayağı iyiymiş.
I know. She obviously cared about you, Frank.
Rachel cared about a lot of people.
Evet, Chloe.
Especially Chloe. But, now I see why Rachel dug her. And Chloe was man enough to ask me for help after all that shit we went through.
Chloe would appreciate that.
You know, the one time I met my dad, the bastard quoted the Bible and said he wanted to enter his house justified. In
O ne
other
demek
words,
ya?
to do the right thing. Me too. And maybe you're helping me get there, Max. Don't get me wrong, kid. I still think you're weird. But you're cool.
Çok havalısın demiyor ve normal havalısın diyor sadece. Joyce'la konuştuk mu peki? Joyce'la konuştuğumuzu kaydettim. Hiç zannetmiyorum ama.
Let's talk over here and give Frank some rest and space.
Evet, eski yere geri döndüğümüzü düşünüyorum. Burada bu oyunda konuşmalar hani iyi güzel falan da çok uzun sürüyorlar. Yani gerçekten. Bir Warren'la konuşayım artık. Asıl işimiz.
I'm so glad to see you.
That's okay. The important thing is that you're safe. And I know you can take care of yourself after Nathan.
Should have done that a long time ago. But damn, Max. Can't believe you actually drove down here in the middle of a fucking E6 tornado. Just for one photograph? I mean, I know you didn't come for me.
Warren, I came for all of you. Just tell me you do have the
Of
photograph.
Chloe, Max'i de.
Now shut up and listen.
Oh yeah. You're finally going to tell me what you never did in the parking lot.
I wish I would have. So I'm just going to tell you without any explanation. Trust me, okay?
Ney?
I always do. You should probably tell me quick.
I had a vision in Jefferson's class.
Ha, güçlerimizi açıklayacağız. Ben de diyorum ne diyecek?
I went to the bathroom and saw my best friend Chloe get shot by Nathan Prescott. You with me so far?
Where else could I be? Go on.
Then I found out that I could rewind time. And long story short, Mark Jefferson is insane and dangerous.
Whoa. Is that all?
I think that the storm started Everything started when I found out I could rewind time.
Ağzı oynamıyor ya, böyle bir şey var
There's
mı?
no way this is
Hiç
just
oynamıyor
coincidence,
ya.
right?
Bu kadar da olmaz ama.
Not only the storm, but the eclipse. The birds, the whales, everything.
All because of me? How?
Borun da hemen
I'm
inanmış
not a real
olmuşsun.
scientist, even though I play one at school, but this seems like pure cause and effect. Maybe chaos theory. What happened with Jefferson? Did he hurt you?
Evet.
He used Nathan to get drugs and money for him. Jefferson tied me up and dosed me with some drug and took sick photos of me. It was so horrible.
Max, I'm so sorry you had to go through all that. You're the bravest person I've ever known.
Zaten.
You know?
Bana
I wanna
bilmediğin
kill
bir
that
şey
son of a
söyle.
bitch. Where is he?
Busted. History. Which I need to change fast to make it right again. Is that bad?
For every action, there's a reaction. Whenever you reversed or altered time, maybe you caused a chain reaction.
Aynen, zaten olayı anlatıyor yani.
Even in the environment.
Senin işte böyle oldu, senin yüzünden kaos olacak. Bu benim hatam, bana inanıyor musun? Birlikte daha fazla zaman.
All this destruction is my fault.
Give me a break. You sure the hell didn't give yourself time travel powers?
I guess we'll never know if it's magic or science.
Even if it's from a wizard or a wormhole. You're part of something bigger. And I don't believe in fate or destiny, but after this week, I realize I don't know shit.
That makes both of us, Warren.
I do know you're here for a reason. And I guess it's up to you to find out why. Max, I'm sorry you got stuck in this. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on. But I have total faith that you'll do the right thing when the time comes. I'm so proud of you, Max. How could there be a more important moment in history? I'm in the middle of it with you. So thank you for trusting me.
Thanks for being here. Always.
Teşekkür etmeniz bittiyse.
Max, do you think this is the end?
As long as I have my pocket with me.
Good job, Warren. I hope those supplies are enough.
Ben merak ettiğim şey, seninle daha fazla zaman dediğimiz zaman ne oluyordu acaba? Oha, en baştan mı şey yapacağım? Ya bırak ya. Cidden. Nerede bu? Niye şimdi böyle duruyorsun? Az önce farklı duruyordun. Warren, iyi misin? Warren, takıldın galiba ama.
Choice.
Neyse artık.
Focus on the people here.
Fotoğrafa odaklanayım ben.
Hey. Be careful out there.
Ha, okey. Sarıl, öp, ayrıl. Ya şimdi sonuçta artık dünyanın sonu gelmiş. Bu çocuk da bizi önemsiyor. Bence bir öp artık yani. 5 bölümdür öpeceksin, öpmüyorsun. Ne kadar da romantik, aman tanrım.
Just in case we don't get out of this, I wanted to say,
I know, Warren.
of course you do.
I'm going to make the right choices from now on. I swear.
That's why you're Super Max.
Supermax. Odaklan hadi. Of, bu çok... Bir dakika, odaklanıp ne yapacağız? Daha doğrusu... Dünyanın sonu partisine hoş geldin.
We got no time for this shit. Come on, Max. Chloe. Jesus, dude, what is up with you?
I'm just glad we're here together.
Tabii
I
Chloe
guess you
öldü
need
değil
to
mi?
talk. No worries. It's all good.
I'm glad you're with me too. What's going on, Max? We have to find Nathan right now.
Bir sus bir dur.
Sorry, Warren. To Rachel. Let's go now. Chloe, wait. Listen. I can walk and listen, okay? Stop and listen for once. Fine, Max. I'm listening.
Chloe, you can't go in that party. You're gonna die if you do.
You used your powers, right? And you fucked around with time and I died.
Not like that.
You're supposed to back me up. So there's no way that punk-ass bitch Nathan Prescott is taking me down.
You're right, he won't. Mark Jefferson killed you. And others.
Jefferson, the art teacher? That's bullshit. Nathan is the fucking serial killer. We saw the proof. Now, excuse me, I'm going to that party to make sure he never hurts anybody again. Are you coming?
Nathan is dead, and you're in danger.
That fucker is already dead? How do you know that?
Because I was there.
Will you please tell me exactly what happened?
Ya anlatmaya çalışıyorum öf. Jefferson tam bir psikopat.
Mark Jefferson turned out to be a psychopath.
Okay, Max. Let's go in there as a team and take his ass out right now.
Geçmişin gitmesine izin verme ne demek? Sakın gitme.
Chloe. Jefferson drugged and kidnapped me. I was tied up in his bunker. You have no idea what hell I went through to get back here. But I couldn't let you die. You brought me back here, and I can't lose you again. I won't.
Max, I'm so sorry. I was the one who dragged you into all this shit. Nobody, especially you, should have to go through that. Now we have to stop Jefferson. With one bullet.
No, not this way. Chloe, I can't keep fixing everything if all I'm gonna do is just break it over and over again. I know how this is gonna turn out, and I'm afraid I'm fucking
Onu
up all these
diyecektim.
alternate realities.
Her bir şey
Realities? What do you mean, Max? What did you do?
sıçtım batırdım.
I fucked up, Chloe. I wanted to make things right. Everything turned out wrong.
Ya
Max, what the hell are you talking
şimdi
about?
ben hangi gerçeklikteyim onu da hatırlamıyorum.
I was able to go back in time
Ha dur
to the
anlatıyorum.
last day William was alive. I stopped him from leaving, but you ended up in a car crash instead.
You saw my dad again?
You were completely paralyzed, and you were in pain. You were slowly dying, and you asked me to end your life. But Chloe, there was no way I could do that. I had to return to this timeline to see you again. I had to.
God, Max. That must have been awful for you. I'm so sorry I had to ask you that.
It was worse for you. But I had no idea what would happen, and
Max
this
bu oyunun
usual,
sonunda
I messed
delirecek
everything
arkadaşlar
up,
ben
and
size söyleyeyim.
I never want to hurt you. Ever. You have to believe me.
Of course I do. Do you think I would even know how to handle that situation? Nobody would. The important thing is that we're together again.
You're right. That's why you should come with me so we can stay together.
Ay ne çok konuştunuz ya, içim baydı.
I hear you, Max, but do you think we should let Jefferson get away with torture and murder?
Öbür türlü sen
Of course
ölüyorsun.
not. If we tell David, he'll believe us and he can actually stop him. Right?
I don't get it. Why do you trust him after you totally reamed him the other day? He's not even at our house anymore.
David senin David beni kurtardı. David bizden öndeydi.
Chloe, David saved me from Jefferson. If he didn't track down the dark room, I'd be dead right now.
Max, I had no clue. I should have been the one to save you. But
Ama sen ölmüştün.
I'm so grateful David was there. So what's your plan?
We tell him everything, including that Victoria is in danger.
Ah boynum çok ağrıyor ya.
You've been through so much. I believe you, Max. After all, I'm still your faithful companion.
Yes, you are. So listen, in a few minutes, I won't know any of this happened. Nothing. We absolutely have to stay in your room and do nothing. Then we explain everything to David, and we finally let him do his job. You'll have to tell me exactly what I did and said just now. Just explain that I traveled through time using the photo.
Will you believe me?
I'll always believe you, Chloe.
Aa, hadi bakalım. Bu geçmişten geleceklere dönmek beni üzdü yani. Yordu beni. Adamlar bastı. Jefferson'ı yakaladı. Bize bir şey olmadı. Chloe ölmedi. Kasırga hala var ama kasırganın olması lazım. Kasırgada beraberiz galiba. Kasırga var ve beraberiz.
Oh, Chloe! I see that the real Max is back. So, how was your time trip, dude?
Shut up!
Okay.
Oh, you're alive! You're alive! Oh, both of us! I did so much to bring you back.
Ya sesi çok çıkıyor.
It worked. Actually, it worked. You're with me again.
Looks like even fate doesn't want us apart. And I traveled through multiple realities just to save my ungrateful ass over and over and...
Oyunun başından beri seni kurtarıyorum.
I don't blame you for wanting me out of your life after all my drama.
Come on. I'm the official drama king and queen of Arcadia Bay this week. Just look at what my powers have caused in just a short time. Nobody.
You're Max fucking Caulfield, Time Warrior. Even if you weren't, you're kind and caring. Nobody could have a better best friend. Nobody. You didn't ask for any of this to happen, but it did. You need to accept how awesome you are.
Maybe I willed it subconsciously or something. I always wanted my life to be special. An adventure. But not without you. And it didn't happen until I moved back here. So, without you, my powers wouldn't even exist.
And for whatever scientific, mystical reason that we'll obviously never figure out, we were meant to be together at this exact moment in history. I have to think that Rachel was somewhere behind the scenes, fighting for justice.
I like to think that too. We all owe Rachel Amber. Now tell me everything that happened. You remember, right?
Well, we left the party and made sure Jefferson couldn't find us. For once, I was glad I lived in an actual fortress. And the storm got hella crazy, and you said we would be safe at the lighthouse.
Deniz fenerine niye güvenli olasınız
The
ya?
storm is getting bigger now. It's coming closer. I can't even believe this is real. This is happening because of me.
Stop it. Stop beating yourself up, okay? We both paid our dues already on it. God, look at that. Look at that monster. Who knows? This could be Rachel's revenge. Our revenge.
Bizi öldüreceği için.
The lighthouse is out of the way of the tornado. Come on.
Chloe.
I've got your back, Rex.
Ne oldu lan?
Whoa.
Alfred Hitchcock famously
Ya gene mi?
little pieces of time.
Ya.
I'm back in class. What the hell?
These pieces of time can frame us.
Arkadaşlar kafayı yiyeceğim.
Listen to this Jefferson lecture again. This might be hell.
Now, can you give me an example of a photographer
Okay,
who perfectly
this is
captured the
messed
human
up.
condition in black and white?
Am I stuck in a time loop?
Anybody?
Ben şaşırmazdım başına saçma sapan bir şey daha gelmiş olsaydı.
Diane Arbus.
Be calm and don't freak out.
Why Arbus?
Yet.
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as
Ne oluyor lan?
What's going on?
and frankly it's bullshit.
Aa!
Cares?
Keep that to yourself.
Kuş mu onlar?
Seriously though.
Oğlum!
I could frame any one of you
Camımıza şeyler vuruyor. Kuşlar galiba. Onlar kuş herhalde.
Everybody's gone now. Have I totally fucked up time.
Evet Max, üzgünüm ama
Doesn't make sense.
gerçekten artık bitti Max. Ne yazıyor burada?
Not yet, you bastard.
Mr. Jefferson XOX.
You didn't die, Kate. You're alive. Oh, that's too creepy.
Abi çıkın şuradan ya, manyak mısın?
That's awful.
Allah aşkına çıkalım şuradan.
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Fuck you Mr. Jefferson. Bıktım.
I just wanted to know if you'd like to spend the rest of your life in my dark room. Your purity inspires me so much, and we could be so happy together. Who needs selfies when I can give you portraiture?
There's no way I'm saying that. No way.
Bu ne lan? Seni seviyorum Bay Jefferson.
My selfies are shit. I need to be framed by a real artist. I'm just a poser.
Yes, you will be posing. For me.
Öyle mi?
There's so many angles I want to expose you
Ya
to the world.
çok pis
I hope you
yalnız.
find needles or duct tape.
Ya çık şuradan Max, öf. Gerçekten kafayı yedi. Max akıl hastanesine gidiyor.
I don't believe it.
Al işte. Beynim yandı şu anda. Kate? Kate kendine ağlıyor arkadaşlar. Kendini anıyor. What is this? Oh my god.
Hey Kate, Max, why did you stop me from jumping? What kind of friend are you?
Niye
You
arkamdasın?
never understood me, or what happened to me. Now my family will never leave me alone, and that means I'll always be alone. Thanks to you.
Kate, that's not true. I've always been your friend.
Ay manyak olduk. Ha? PT mi oynuyoruz? Harbiden. Bu ses nereden geliyor? Buraya girelim bari, ne bileyim ben. Buradan çıkış yok mu aman tanrım. Tuvalete girebilir miyim? Tabii ki. Ne diyor ya? Kendi odama gireyim. Bu ne lan? Bir dakika dur. Haritaya mı bakmam gerekiyor? Yani özel bir şey mi var? Stella, Max, Victoria, Kate. Bir dakika, hangisi şey? Victoria'nınkine girelim. Ya yanlış mı yapıyorum, doğru mu yapıyorum anlamadım. Bir şey mi var, hani düzeni mi var girmem gereken?
This hall never ends. I better find something.
Drum roll, please. I present the spare piece of Laco. And please step correct.
Dışarıda ölmüş bir balina var. Bundan da bahsetmek istiyorum. Fuck you bitch. Geri çıkabilir miyim? Arkadaşlar siz ne diyorsunuz bu duruma? Bence Max delirdi yani. Artık şeyimiz yok. Şüphem yok. Bir şey yap. Ya bir şey yapmam gerekiyor bence ama. Yani anlamadım ne yapmam gerektiğini. Cidden başım ağrıdı aynı yerleri gezmekten. Bu ne? Aa! Ha, anahtar. 218. İlki herhalde değil mi? ...217, 218 burası. Anahtarı da kullanmamış olmam. Niye aldım oğlum? Ay! O Rachel Amber cosplay yapıyoruz.
Rachel Amber. She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved, I felt abandoned. Rachel saved my life. So Rachel took my place. I'm glad she was there for you. 6 months ago, she just left Arcadia. Without a word.
Aa, gerçekten kafayı yedik şu anda.
Without me. How do you know she disappeared? Maybe she wanted to start a totally new life. Unlike you, she would have told me, okay? Something happened to her. Before Rachel left, she said she met somebody who changed her life. Then poof.
Rachel Amber'ın odasına gireceğim ya. Aynen. Şimdi de Victoria'nın odasına gireceğim. Victoria Chase Rules. Oha, Victoria. Oynanabilir karakter olarak arkadaşlar. You suck Victoria. Rachel is a whore. Max. Yeter. Bu olay cidden tuhaflaşmaya başladı. Ha, sonunda. Zaman geriye aksın. Kafayı yedim. Başım dönüyor. Ay, geriden geriye göre konuşuyor kafa. Ya çok salak. Şarkı da geriye doğru çalarsa hiç komik olmayacak. Ay, isimler de ters yazıyor, ciddi misin? Ya çıkın şuradan ya, artık hiçbir şeye bakmayacağım. Ya, ya manyak mısınız? Aa, geyik. Hay geyik. Zaten oraya gireceğim. Nereye gireceğim başka? Bu ne lan?
Don't try to hide, Max. Get over here. Let me capture you.
Evet arkadaşlar, Max delirdi. 25 dakika oldu. 25-26. Bu bölümü burada bitireceğim. Ne oluyor bilmiyorum. Ama oyun bitmemekte inat etti. Ben biter diye düşünmüştüm. Artık Chloe'yi de bulduk. Ama belli ki öyle olmayacak. Arkadaşlar, izlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Bir şey anladıysanız ne anladığınızı yoruma yazmaktan çekinmeyin. Çünkü ben şu anda hiçbir şey anlamadım. Bir sonraki Life is Strange bölümünde görüşmek üzere. Artık Max bu beyninde kayboldu. İnşallah gerçek dünyaya geri dönebilir. Evet. Kendinize iyi bakın. İyi oyunlar.